Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be bringing you a bladeless hanging neck fan that'll keep you cool in the summertime. Okay, so right here is the bladeless hanging neck fan. This will keep you cool in the summer times. It has an ultra long life battery, safe and bladeless, comfortable wearing, and it's low noise. It may sound loud on the camera, but it's actually not so bad. This does have a 4,000 milliamp battery, so it does last pretty long time. So now let's open up the package. Alright, so first off right here we see the charging cable, which is a Type-C to a 3.0 USB. This is about a foot. And right here is actually the fan itself. So with the 4,000 milliamp battery, large capacity, it lasts up to 16 hours on low, 4 hours on high, on a full charge. So you can see these little rivets in here. These are all your fans. So your air will blow out of these long little fans up in here. And it just sits around your neck. And here's a little fan where the noise is, but it's not that loud. And then on the side, you do have the charging port, which is where you'll plug in the C-type charging plug. So, and on this side right here is the actual power plug. When you want to turn it on, you'll just click on it and it should turn right on. Just push it down. So let's go and try to turn it on. It doesn't show you any fans that are moving on the side right here. It's got 3 speeds. So the 3 speeds, you've got the low speed, the minimum speed, and the high speed, depending on your heat. You might want to use it on the high speed, especially if you're in Arizona like myself, because it gets very hot over here. Not at the moment, because we're going through monsoon season. But you can see right here, this is where the fan will be blowing the air out, and it's actually pretty nice. I can actually feel the fan from the phone while I'm recording right now. It feels nice and cool. It weighs only about 9.8 ounces. It puts less strain on your neck. It adapts to high speed, brushless motor, and updated noise reduction technology, which makes the noise less than 35 decibels when used, creating a comfortable environment. So it's basically like the wind outside. So I'm going to go and turn it on so you can see how it sounds. Again, it is not as loud as it sounds on the camera. So on camera it does sound pretty loud, but it's not really loud. It's like a breeze outside. So what's good thing about this, that is eco-friendly ABS material makes it hands-free neck fan more durable, which is ideal for working out, hot flashes. You can enjoy the coolness of this if you're outside and it's hot. Like here in Arizona, it's very hot, and this would actually work very well. So I'm going to plug this one in here, the Type-C. You just plug it in here like that. And the other port, you can plug it into the power plug or your laptop. It doesn't matter. Anytime that has a 3.0, it should charge it just fine. It should only take a few hours, 4 hours on the high to full charge, including a USB cable. This is low and soft light breeze for high for super icy fresh blast. I would definitely check out this one because I've tried this out. It does blow pretty good. So check it out.